Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to cook better in 1 minute, okay? We're gonna go for salt, temperature, texture. So number one, salt. You have to season everything you cook. And by season, that means Diamond Crystal Kosher salt, sprinkled from above, on top of everything you cook. If it's a vegetable or a meat, you do it beforehand, before it hits the grill, and after. If you're making something like a lasagna, season every single layer. Number two, temperature. The temperature of food is often screwed up. Soups are served too hot, such that someone can't taste it. And also, things can be served too cold. Obviously, that makes it unappetizing. So temperature is really, really, really important in serving food. 15 seconds left for number three. It is very, 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 very important to remember texture, specifically crunch. Every dish should have something crunchy. That is 1 minute. Thank you.